You've conquered gym anxiety, and now you're ready for the gym. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a few mistakes that beginners make and how you can avoid making those same mistakes. Mistakes that stop you from losing weight. Mistakes that stop you from building muscle. Mistakes that can get you hurt. These tips will help you avoid injury, build that muscle, and lose that weight quickly and safely. For the best workout tips and techniques, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified for when I post a new video every Thursday. First, let's define newbie or beginner. You're new if you've never been to a gym, you've been to the gym once in the past 6 months. You're even new if you used to be an athlete, but the only weight that you've picked up is that weight that's around your gut. There's no shade here. Just helpful advice to keep mistakes to a minimum so you don't end up sidelined for another season. Here are the top 5 mistakes that I've seen people make in my 25 plus years as a fitness enthusiast, gym junkie, and athlete. Mistake number 1, not being dressed appropriately. You don't want to wear clothing that's too loose or too tight. And stay away from anything that's 100% cotton, unless you enjoy feeling like you just got out the ocean. Mistake number 2, my pet peeve, not warming up. Now let's be clear, jogging to the gym or riding your bike to the gym, that's not a warm-up. Yes, you've got your heart rate up and you burn some calories. However, riding your bike or running does not prepare your body for deadlifts, squats, or lunges. I have clients who have came to me after riding their bike to the gym saying, all right, let's go, I'm ready. No, you're not. You have to incorporate a movement prep into your routine, movement that gradually increases your heart rate and circulation. If you need a good movement routine, then head over to my free Facebook group, By the Reboot with myself, Elmer Hickman, where you'll find some movement prep demonstrations to help you get started. Mistake 3, eating too much or the wrong foods right before your workout. You eat a big meal on your way to the gym, thinking you're eating for energy. But what just happened is that you just redirected your energy flow. The energy you needed for the gym has now been diverted and is now being used to digest the meal in your gut. It's recommended to consume a full meal 2 to 3 hours before your workout. For meals eaten closer to your workout, choose simple carbs and some protein. I like to drink a protein shake like 30 minutes before my workout. Mistake number 4, not having a water bottle. Going to the gym without a water bottle is a bad idea. Good hydration means getting the right amount of water before, during, and after exercise. If you're not properly hydrated, then your body cannot perform at its highest level. And if you're like me, you're either going hard or you're going home. The final mistake is one that I see a lot in the club. Bad technique mixed with ego. You're going to hurt yourself. Check your ego at the door. If you don't know what you're doing, then ask someone that does. Don't pretend you're a pro when you're not. You're going to hurt yourself, hurt your gains, or hurt other people. I remember I was working at a club here in South Beach. I saw a guy, he had 6 plates on each side of the leg press machine. As he was going down in the eccentric phase, his lumbar spine, his lower back was rolling up. Every time I saw this movement, I just cringed. I just saw his L5 as one exploding. So when he was done, I said, sir, is it okay if I, show you a better way to do this particular movement? His response, I'm a doctor. I know what I'm doing. I said, okay, sir, but you may hurt yourself. I'm a doctor. I know what I'm doing. And then 2 weeks later, I saw him at the club walking around. Guess what? Hold this back. So again, if you don't know what you're doing, it's okay. Ask somebody and get some help. What crazy gym mistakes have you made in the past? And what have you done to correct them? Comment below and fill us in. Now you're up to speed on what mistakes to avoid as a newbie. How about a new 7-day workout plan? Download my pre-game gym guide to crush anxiety and dominate your workout. The link is in the description below. Also, if you want to join a community of people just like you, a group of like-minded people looking to change their bodies from the inside out, come join us in my new Facebook group, Body Reboot with Elmer Hickman. See you back here next week for another episode on how to dominate your workouts, reboot your body, and find your fitness flow. Later.